Debnath Art Hub.
Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting Hello Kitty. Yeah, like that. So let's start to draw. At first we will draw the Hello Kitty hairband. Yay! The Hello Kitty use the hairband for his hair. You like that? Now we will draw the Hello Kitty structure. Yay! Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Drawing is so easy. You just need to do practice and practice. Yeah, like that. Now we will draw the Hello Kitty two cute eyes. Yeah, and his nose. Yeah, almost done. Yeah, now here his. Yeah. So we are almost done here. Yeah. Now it's time to learn the colors name. Red color, baby pink color, pink color. At first we are using the dark pink color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.